Have you received a notice, intimation, or letter from an income tax authority? You need to respond to it using the e-proceedings service on the e-filing portal. To use this service, you must be registered on the e-filing portal and have an active PAN or an active TAN, as the case may be. You should also have received a notice, intimation, or letter from the assessing officer or AO, CPC, or any other income tax authority. If you need to provide a response on behalf of anyone, they need to add you as an authorized representative. Using the e-proceedings service, you can respond to various notices, intimations, or letters as listed on screen. You can also upload attachments in support of your response. In this video, we will glance at each type of e-proceeding and learn how to navigate your response to a notice on the e-filing portal. A notice under Section 139(9) or a defective return notice is issued by the Income Tax Department if there are certain errors or omissions in your return, which you need to respond to within 15 days. For details on how to respond to a defective notice, please refer to the video e-proceedings, response to defective notice under Section 139(9). An intimation under Section 245 is issued by the department to let you know that your previous year's outstanding demand is proposed to be adjusted with the current year's refund. You need to either agree or disagree with the demand. You may disagree partly or fully. Note that this is the only type of e-proceeding where an authorized representative cannot respond on your behalf. Prima facie adjustment under Section 143(1)(a) is a notice issued by CPC, which asks you to clarify any inconsistency noticed within your ITR, or any variance between information in your ITR and audit report. You may either revise your return or provide a response to the variances in the notice within 30 days. Sometimes, there may be a mistake apparent from record in your processed return, and you will receive a suo motu rectification under Section 154 from the department. For such a notice, you need to agree or disagree with the proposed rectification. Several types of notices are issued by AOs or other income tax authorities. They include but are not limited to proceedings under Section 131, 133(6), 142(1), 147, 148. This also covers submissions or responses under faceless assessment. You may also request adjournment to file your response or a video conference to explain your case. A seek for clarification communication is sent by CPC in instances where certain information provided in your return is insufficient, and a clarification is required on certain claims you made. You need to submit the applicable predefined response in 15 days to the department using the e-proceeding service. That covers all the types of e-proceedings. The e-proceeding service makes income tax-related compliances easier for you by allowing end-to-end electronic communication and submission. Let's see how to use this service. After logging into the portal, go to the Pending Actions menu and select e-proceedings. On the e-proceedings page, you can view all the proceedings for you under the For Your Action tab. In capacity as self, authorized representatives or ARs can view and action the same proceedings, but after clicking on the As Authorized Representative tab. If you are required to respond to a notice that's been issued as part of compliance to notice under Section 133(6) or Section 131, click the Of Other PAN or TAN tab. For all types of e-proceedings, you can view and download a PDF of the notice and submit your response to it. You can also add an AR to respond on your behalf. As self, AR, or for another PAN or TAN, you need to click View Notices on the proceeding record. On the View Notices for e-proceedings page, click Notice or Letter PDF. On the next page, you can view the notice details and download a PDF of the notice. The steps to submit a response to a notice are as follows. On the e-proceedings page, click View Notices for the relevant record. All e-proceedings are responded to from this page by clicking Submit Response. The responses to be provided are different for each type of e-proceeding. It could range from agreeing or disagreeing with demand or adjustment, to providing required information, including the upload of supporting documents. Refer to the e-proceedings user manual for further details on how to respond to each type of e-proceeding. After submitting your response, you need to e-verify it using any of the available options. Refer to the How to E-Verify video to learn more. Once e-verified, the process is complete. Let's see how to add an authorized representative to respond to the notice. On the e-proceeding page, click Add View Authorized Representative on the proceeding. Note that you cannot add an authorized representative to respond on your behalf to an intimation under Section 245. On the Authorized Representative or AR page, you will see details of previously added ARs. If there are no active ARs, click Add Authorized Representative. Then, enter the required details, the authorized representative type, PAN, and name. Please ensure that the person being authorized has a legally valid power of attorney. Then, click Confirm. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on your e-filing registered mobile and email. Enter the OTP and click Submit. On submission, you will get a success message. The added person has to accept the request and upload their power of attorney within 7 days, post login to e-filing. If you wish to withdraw an AR, click Withdraw for that particular AR on the Authorized Representative page. If your request has not been accepted by the AR yet, they will be removed, and the status will change to cancelled. If the authorized representative status is request accepted, then you have to provide the reason for withdrawal before they can be removed. Click OK. Then, the status will change to cancelled. To activate the authorized representative again, click Make Active. The process will be the same as when adding a new AR. The e-proceeding service keeps track of your submissions and retains them for future reference. Connect with us for more information.